All right. Gonna walk around over here. We hop there, the high street, and then we go. Has been totally renovated, at least sandstone. Top of the we got Inverness Museum and Art Gallery. It's a beautiful view though, to be honest. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the Scottish Highlands. We are in Inverness, the capital city of the Highlands. It's a beautiful city. You can see River Ness is flowing all the way. That's coming from Loch Ness, which is going all the way. That's beautiful. Today walk, I will take you around to the city centre. It's Sunday. Colours of fab. That's beautiful. Look around. That's stunning. These are absolutely beautiful. We're gonna walk around over here. If I'm not wrong, I think that's the Bridge Street. We're walking all the way up there to the high street, and then we go to the square. We'll find some other attraction on our way, so just stay with me. We'll take you around. Enjoy your trip. None of the band whiskey collection. All right. Edinburgh. The House of Fraser. Here on the right side. That's beautiful. They got good stuff though. And the cheapest market. None other than Primark. Alright. Look at this. Stones. And most of you know Edinburgh. Edinburgh Woolen Mill. All the way here. Good stuff though. One of the best shops for souvenirs. Yeah. One of the old building here. We're walking further up. For some food. Yeah. Italiano. Italica. So Bridge Street ends here. There's a beautiful clock over there. It's 3:30 now, as you can see. Have you heard that? Alright guys, I'm gonna take you to High Street right over there. Alright, before that, I want to take you around up there. There's a castle, Inverness Castle. At the moment, that's shut because it's under some renovation, serious renovation at the moment. So we just walk on the street right over there, just a wee look at the castle covered by scaffolding all the way around. Yeah, that's it. We're going upwards over there, and on the other side we got our museum and art gallery here. It's a beautiful view though, to be honest. Up there, if you go on the top of the castle, you can look around. It's beautiful. We can't go up there, it's shut, it's closed. So that's it. Inverness Castle right here. On this side we got Inverness Museum and Art Gallery. It's Sunday, it's closed at any point. There are some steps goes downward at the same place. It's called Castle Road down there. So yeah, it's gonna have a wee look from here. Looks beautiful though from this side. Come, yeah, it's a view of the castle. It's beautiful, really. It's stunning. Alright, now the museum and art gallery is here. It's closed Sunday. So alright, over there, that's townhouse, yellow sandstone one. Has been totally renovated on these sandstone, sorry, red stone. That's an old, it's not very old building, it's very youngest building here, but that's an old building. But the whole wall, you can see, it's been renovated to, as I can see, maybe 80%, 95% has been renovated, been repaired. So the original sandstone has been cleaned, polished, neat and tidy, as you can see all the way over there. It's a beautiful building though. Look at the head, what's there. Alright, the front of the building is really amazing. It's beautifully done, and alright, that's nice. Here you go. Walls. What a smile, May, you got. So walls are the door. That's stunning. That's stunning. That's beautiful. You can see head over there. That's stunning. Look at this old door. That's a beautiful view. Another old beautiful building. There's Castle Street. You're walking behind. You're not going to walk further down there, but I just want to have a glimpse of castle. So now we can have a look at this old townhouse on this side. That's beautiful. Beautiful art to that. Walking around further down there. That's a beautiful red stone building. From the other side you see the back of it. It's been done in 2021. Not been done, but I mean some of the part, the top bit has been added in 2021, I think. Here we go. A beautiful look. The castle from the side. The Castle Street.
I get the boy.
Yeah, nice one. Sorry. That's beautiful though. Look at the view. It's absolutely stunning. Alright. You can see Nessie here, the monster of the Loch Ness. On this side, another side, Nessie. Right. I think no point to go further up. And you can have a view of the monsters of the Loch Ness. As Inverness Castle. So we're back in High Street again. What I mean, let's have a look around Townhouse, Castle Street. On the High Street. Is the High Street. You can see it is one of the oldest building, all I can say. The Outlander. Townhouse, Archive Centre, Inverness Castle and Court, British Information, Museum and Gallery. Eastgate Shopping Centre on this side, and bus station and library. Victorian Market, we're going to head over there as well, over the station. That's fine. Look at the stonework. Market Bray. That's on it. There's your straps. So walk down there, right? There's Marks and Spencer, and that is East Gate. So at least we can cover the whole area. You know what I mean? It's fine. Fine. As you can see, this part of the town is totally newly done. It's very younger. Eastgate Shopping Centre. It's a bit modern shopping centre. You can call it a wee mall, whatever. An old building is abandoned. I think only the wall is left. Inside it's all collapsed. What we're going to do, some renovation idea. It's the Eastgate.